Hey y'all, it's Andy at Muscle in the Mountains, and in this video, we're going to be looking at all Mopars for sale. That's right, some insane, incredible Mopars that are all for sale. I'll give you pricing, I'll give you contact info. Let's walk around, see what we got. You got this gorgeous 69 Charger RT. Oh my goodness, right? Here you go, Mopar fans. 69 Charger RT and an SE, right? Special edition. Wow. That's pretty sweet. I have no idea how much it is. Check on the website. You'll be able to find out soon. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous Mopar. Wow. It's not cheap, but it sure is nice. Okay, 71 Challenger Hemi Restomod. So I don't know if it's a newer Hemi and an older Hemi. I don't know. 5.7. Yeah. So it's the newer Hemi. 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 4-speed automatic. 91,995. Very tough Restomod Challenger. That's a very desirable car. Somebody's going to have a lot of fun in that. All right, Dodge. Here you go, Coronet 440. That does not necessarily mean it has a 440 engine. But this one does. So there you go. That's awesome. I like it when the 440 package comes with a 440 engine. This one 4-speed manual, 36,995. Good looking Mopar. And check this out. There's something you don't see every day, a Viper. Yeah, that's pretty tough right there. This one is 65,995, but looks great. It's a 2000 RT10. So it has the 8-liter V10 with a 6-speed manual. Wow. That's pretty tough. And that's a color I don't see a lot. Right? And I see the red ones, I see the yellow ones. But that right there, that's pretty cool. So if you want a Viper, 65,995 for that one. That's pretty tough. Pretty cool. 44,995 for this one. This is not your average 2012 Challenger. This is the SRT8. Yellow jacket. It's got the Hemi. 44,995. Speaking of cool Mopars, check out this Dodge. A nice in Plum Crazy purple. Dart Swinger, 1970, with the 340 engine, 3-speed automatic, asking 51,995. Cool little Dodge. Another great Mopar. I like this. So Plymouth Belvedere 2 with a 440, 3-speed automatic. That looks fantastic. This car is 59,995. Mopars are not cheap. Neither are their parts. So it's a pretty nice car. Pretty tough Belvedere. Another gorgeous Plymouth. And it's tough. Look at this. Belvedere 2, 1967. Looking amazing. This one's just 28,995. I like that. Did we see what engine was in this? Let's see. This one, oh, it's a 318. There you go. 318, 3-speed automatic. 28,995. So that's one crazy Mopar Restomod. All blacked out. So 64 Dodge Coronet 440 with a 440. Black on black, asking 49,995. All right, here's one mean Mopar. Check out this beauty right here. 440 6-barrel. Yes, that is a Cuda. 70 Plymouth Cuda in violet. Isn't that gorgeous? This one's $172,995, but that is a perfect Cuda. And you know, when you talk about the 440 6-barrels, that's, you know, a lot of people like the Hemis, but the 440 6-barrel was such a great engine. This thing is amazing. Absolutely amazing. There you go. That's one mean Mopar. All right, let's start out with this gorgeous 1970 Hemi Cuda with the shaker. Yeah. That's awesome. So this thing is insane. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with the Hemi. You got the pistol grip. This one has a 5-speed manual in Hemi orange, and it is $179,900. Incredible car. Wow, that's so tough. There you go. One mean Cuda. And check out this incredible Dodge Charger RT with 440 Magnum. Incredible ride. Love this green. Check out this green, what is that, Gator vinyl top. It's one mean Charger right here. Look at this. Super cool. Got the big pistol grip. So this is a 1970 Charger RT 440 4-speed manual, dark green metallic vinyl top, $199,900. That's one mean ride. All right, one of my favorite Mopars, 1970 Roadrunner. Look at this. Yeah, that's awesome. Look at this Plymouth Roadrunner. That's some serious limelight paint. Got the white interior with the pistol grip. Super cool. This is a 440 Magnum 4-speed manual in limelight with white interior. Just 82 miles since the restoration. 124,900. 124,900 for this 1970 Roadrunner. That is so gorgeous. Love the dust trail stripe. Super, super cool Mopar. Check out this amazing ride. That is wild right there. Another mean Mopar. Check out 1970 Plymouth Cuda Restomod. This one has a 6.1 liter Hemi 5-speed manual in perfect purple and silver star. Love that 3D strobe stripe. This car is $155,900 at RK Motors in Charlotte, North Carolina. All right, another mean Mopar. Check out 1969 Dodge Dart. This is a race car. Amazing. This car has a 528 Hemi, 3-speed automatic, 1099. 1099 at RK Motors in Charlotte, North Carolina. RKMotors.com. That's super tough. Absolutely gorgeous. Very cool Roadrunner. A 383. Looks very original. Like this has got to be original paint, right? You know, there's some places here and there. It's 383, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner, asking $64K. There you go. Pretty cool Roadrunner. Gorgeous 69 Plymouth Roadrunner. for sale at gatewayclassiccars.com. This one is a new arrival and not yet priced. Gorgeous 383 Plymouth Roadrunner. That's super tough. I love this Barracuda. 340 Formula S in a convertible. That's super cool. Check it out. Wow. This one is 56.5. Very cool car. Okay, Mopar fans, this is a cool ride right here. Love the 71s and 72s. This is a 72 Roadrunner with the 440 4-barrel.
And this car has been restored by a shop local to the Charlotte area.
Nice.
Runs out nice, got the beep beep horn, you know, typical iconic for the Roadrunner. If you're a fan of Mopars, it doesn't get any better than this. The color combination really makes this car look good.
Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I love this.
It was born a 440 car, and it still has that 440 in it.
Nice. Love the stripe on this.
Yep.
That's super cool.
It is cool. You don't see many in this era.
No. No. These are very, very rare now. And a 440, I mean, that's just awesome.
Yes.
That's cool. Autobarn Classic Cars in Concord, North Carolina can make your dream car a reality. The Autobarn has been a locally owned family business for over 20 years and has a 60,000 square foot showroom. Also, if you're looking to sell your classic or collector automobile, you will love their hassle-free consignment process. For more information, go to autobarnclassiccars.com or call 704-788-2765.